There he is. How is it that I'm controlling the motor, but I'm getting backboated? Oh, look at this. Oh, no way. No way, bro. There he is. We are going to only be using bright colored lures.
I flip my pie, really did that 180. Young niggas coming to you live from a place where nobody else know to take it. They hand up, they want us to split the pie, right? Cause they realize that we gone crazy. Yeah, I flip my pie, really did that 180. Yeah. I flip my pie, really did that 180. Who's that gon' tell me I can't do it? I can't do it. Better be on time with my bankroll. My bankroll. Talk fat, no ball cat, no lit word. No lit word. Routine like clockwork, my wrist word. My wrist go like this. I flourish the cook, got no roof on it. I'm taunting, I'm all in the moment. Everything that I don't miss.
Alright guys, Edward's baits, my baits. Let me pour them out for you guys real quick, so you guys can see all the craziness we got. So I'll show you guys my baits first really quick. See the way this ain't part of it. I'm putting some of these away because I bought extra stuff for the future, so you guys are wondering. But yeah, all right, so these are what I am considering my baits. First off, we have the bright pink flukes, which if that's not considered bright, then I don't know what is. Got the all bright white toad frogs, which it is really cold for topwater, but we're gonna rock them anyways. We've got, what are these called? Chartreuse tinfoil. Look how bright that is. That's just crazy. Then I got some blue, really bright blue tinfoil ones called Moonlight. That is crazy looking. Got me an all white toad runner frog, which I don't know, it might be cold. And then they're really gold jerkbait by 6 cents, which that's gonna be the money ticket today, I think. So those are my baits. I'll let Edward show his real quick.
This don't count. This don't count. I decided to go with this fluorescent jerkbait. I don't even know the color of this.
Fire Tiger or something probably.
Fire Tiger, yeah.
That is just, that's bright. That's bright.
And I decided to go with 6 cents curve.
That one is super cool. Look how bright that is, guys. Look like a volcano.
Copper flash dingers. And then this right here is called glimmer blue pepper, I believe, yeah. And then white pearl flukes.
So those are all the baits, guys. We've got time to fish today, so we're gonna come out here. I got a good feeling about today. I feel like we're gonna get on some fish. This is gonna be a fun challenge. You guys stay tuned. I will see you guys once we put, oh, by the way, we are in the little boat. So I will see you guys once we are out on the little boat. There he is. There he is. First one, guys. He is a runner too. I'm a runner. I'm a track star. Oh, another crappie. Another slab crappie. Are we doing any species or just bass only?
We can do any species.
Are you sure you want to go there? So this would count as one?
You want it to.
Let's do bass only. I'll give you a fair shot because they call me Eddie Crappie, the nickname. So here we go, guys. Number one, but doesn't count because it's a crappie. Now let's see if we can go for the right species this time. There he is. There he is. That's the right species. That is number one officially, guys. Not a giant. but it is a fish, and it does count as one on the old jerkbait. Oh, there we go. Number uno. Is he on? Yep. That was too fast, bro. Okay. Oh, not a bad one either. Not a bad one at all.
Flash.
Bro, first cast with it, really?
Bro.
Not a bad fish.
You a thick boy.
Nice. 1-1.
Boom.
Oh, is that what you're doing?
It is no means by no means is it topwater season yet, but your boy Eddie has been itching to catch a topwater for like a month now, and it has just been driving me crazy. I've actually been trying on my other videos. You guys don't see it, of course, but I have been trying to catch a topwater fish, and I've been unsuccessful, of course, but today's the day. I am telling you. Just have faith in me. No, you didn't. No, you didn't. Look at this guy. Look at this guy.
Stay on, buddy. He a little one, though.
Hey, size don't matter. Not in this world. Not in the fishing world, I guess. Or not for the fishing challenge, I should say. Dang, now we're just like that. He's ahead of me.
Boy, they're pretty. So
Yeah.
pretty out here, bro.
They are. Let's try that, guys. There he is. I saw that. I saw your line. That's another good one. Heck, bro. They like that color.
He didn't choke it, did he? No.
No. Edward is just killing it on that copper color.
Oh.
That's another stud, bro.
There we go. Yeah, this one here's good. Got some good sized teeth on it. I caught it too. I was like, I'm going to catch one right there.
Off the little island, huh? Dang it. I'm starting to lose confidence in the blue moon.
Is that what it's called?
Or moonlight or something like that.
Oh, that color's fire.
Yeah. Has that little tinfoil look to it. There he is. Got him. That's a little one.
He's a runner though.
All right, that puts me at number 2. That's not a bad one,
Bro,
actually.
that was not bad at all.
I thought it was a little
The
one.
way you
little-
reeled him, I was like, oh yeah,
He was running fast. That's why I was like, that's a little one shooting at me. All right, guys, that's number 2 for me. Not a bad little fish. I'll take him.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
On the old moonlight. Moonlight. So that's what, 3-2? Yeah.
Yeah. I was wondering, like, I got something on it.
I hate when they run fast at you like that. That's when they come off a lot of times.
Yeah. You gotta catch up to them.
Yeah, luckily I had my fast reel. I was keeping up with him that time. There he is.
Whoa!
Let's go. That's another pretty decent one. He's bigger, actually.
Yeah, he's big. Bigger.
He's fat.
He got like a little brown color to him.
Oh, look, check that out. He got a perch or something in his throat. You can see the big old tail just sticking out the back of his throat.
There you go.
Yep. He got a little,
You caught
little
him
blue.
way out here, huh?
Yeah. Same spot as I caught that other one just a second ago. There we go, guys. We got a nice little fatty. Got a bluegill stuck in his throat. That's 3 up. Moonlight might be the way.
Might be.
See if I can get one more with this one, and then I'm gonna switch colors.
Yeah, I was killing them on the copper there for a
Yeah,
minute.
I want to try to get one on all of them,
Yeah.
just for the fun of it. There he is. Oh, he came off.
Did he?
Yeah. They're liking this blue.
Yeah. That right there's the juice.
There he is. That feels better. Oh no, he's just strong.
That don't count.
It doesn't, bro. It gotta be in the boat, guys. It has to be
in the boat.
Wow, you gotta touch them. Let's put that, or in the boat. In the boat or touch them. One of the two.
I'm going within the boat.
There he is. I put the hammer on him. He ain't coming off. Yes, sir. I believe I'm up now.
Yeah.
4-3 or 5-3.
5-3.
5-3. I'm gonna lose.
Well, no, 4-3 because the other one didn't come get in the boat.
Oh, okay. There we go, guys. All right, I'm gonna switch colors. This color is absolutely killing it, though. We're gonna go to the chartreuse. This bright chartreuse, guys.
That was scary.
Yeah, this. Man, I feel like I'm about to color everything neon right now with all this stuff it has in there. It's like that garlic dip.
Yeah.
That's what it reminds me of. That is crazy, bro. Wow. Talk about bright.
Ooh, that pocket right there.
I understood the assignment. Look at that. That is freaking.
Bro, that is crazy looking. Oh.
Gotta be in the boat. And I ran it through that grass patch. You know he was there.
I told you he was there. Bro, guys, I am telling you right now.
5 up.
I thought he would have hit this a long time ago.
Oh, you went back to the white one?
Yeah, I caught one on that jerkbait. I'm trying to go through my baits, you know.
One of us is about to catch one.
I'm not gonna lie, bro. You got that blue.
Who's gonna break the tiebreaker? There he is. Yes, sir. He took my worm. There's number 6, guys. 6-5. I'm up by 1 on this. On old Edward here. There we go.
Yeah.
Well, since he took my blue worm, I have this one set up already. Going back to the chartreuse. How is it that I'm controlling the motor, but I'm getting backboated? Starting to get even hard to throw the wacky worm because of the wind.
Whoa!
This guy. What did he hit it on the?
Bro, I was reeling it in.
He was chasing it. That wind is pushing us quick too.
Is that 6-6?
Yes, sir. Nope. 7-6, brother. 7-6, brother.
Doubled up though.
Yeah, double up.
Hey, will you hit my button for me, bro? He caught it at such a last moment, bro.
Are you sure we're on the same team here? Isn't this a challenge? All right, guys, we doubled up. He tied me and I broke it. 7-6. That wind has picked up, guys, and it is just whipping us around over here.
It's like I'm standing up, my toes just getting more cold.
Yeah. Jeez. Let's freaking go. 7. No, 8-6.
8-6, yeah.
8-6. Deuces, homie. Guys, Edward just gave me, what are these called? Twin snakes. Go sweet and sour. Hey, challenge
Oh, with these?
with these. Check it out, bro.
Texas rig 'em? Or
Wacky worm 'em.
Yeah.
Guys, I think we just came up with another challenge. I think they would work, bro.
I'm down.
I think it would work.
Mm-hmm.
I got the blue one, so that's what I've been catching them on. You've been catching them on that cinnamon one. That red one.
Mm-hmm. That's a bet. I can do that. All right.
Let's do this. All right, guys. We were in the middle of the challenge, right? We docked up, and we said, run me to the truck real quick. I'm gonna go get some snacks. I'm getting a little hungry. I said, okay, cool. He comes out, he tells me, you have to try these. So he gives me one, and I pull it out. Pull one out for me. And this is what they look like. They're twin snakes. First thing that came to my mind, challenge.
I'm down, bro.
So, little plot twist here. Right now we are at, I think it's 8-6 is the score, if I'm not mistaken. 8-6. How about we do this? First one that gets to 10 fish has to use that until they catch a fish with it. Can't go back to your wacky worms until you catch a fish with the snakes. Once we hit 10.
Okay.
So I'm, what, 2 away? So if I catch 2 more fish, I got to throw the snake on and try to catch a fish with it. And I can't go back to none of my other baits until I catch one with it.
All right.
You down for that?
I'm down.
All right, guys. Plot twist. This is crazy. This is crazy. We're going to do that right now, guys. And don't eat them all.
I bought them.
Yeah, I paid for them. Yeah, you guys stay tuned. This is going to be crazy. No.
I feel that, for real.
Oh my gosh. What the heck? Right at the freaking butt while you're pulling it out the water. Okay, 8-7.
Yes, sir.
As the wind turns to 30 miles an hour. Jeez.
I don't know which way the wind's going, bro. It feels like it's coming 2 ways.
It does, for real. It's like it's coming this way and that way at the same time. I think I got a little idea. Look at that. While they was sitting there, I was gonna tell you what my idea was. And I felt something pulling my rod in the water. I wasn't even looking at it. I'll take him though. He counts.
He's not a bad size though.
Not a bad one. That's number 9 for me, guys.
I I be trying to whip out that old gummy worm.
Yep. One more. The gummy worm's coming out. You got them pliers right there. That wind is whooping us, guys. It is whooping our butts. Good. Still catching fish though. There he is. That's a good one. That's a good one, bro. He's better anyways. Better than what we've been catching. He's hook funny too. That's what's making him so strong. I thought he was bigger. I was pulling and I couldn't move him. I was like, oh yeah, that's the one. He fooled me. Well, that's 10 though.
Man, so you know what that means.
Uh-oh. There we go, guys. There's my 10th one. Beautiful little fish. Bam. Well, guys, that is my officially... even perfect timing for that. That is officially my 10th fish. I'm about to tie on one of these snakes like a wacky worm. Guys, this will be the craziest bait I've ever used to catch a fish if I can make it happen. So, got him right here, about to put him on. We'll see what happens. What color do I want to go with? I'm gonna go with this, I'm gonna grab these two. I like both of these.
Yeah, those are bright colors only, bro. They good, ain't they?
Yeah, they're good. Alright.
Get those for the kiddos.
Should we put a wacky ring on it? I'm going with the orange one first.
Alright, this crankbait's not the vibe, bro. Grab and grab.
Too shallow right here. Oh, we're gonna hook this thing. Guess just like we do a wacky worm. Let's see how long it lasts in the water. That's another thing. Bro, check that out.
Oh yeah, you'll catch one on that.
I just gotta put it in their face before it melts in the water. Bro, I'm about to catch one. I feel it. You're in trouble. Oh my God, and it made me backlash. Crap.
Just heard it go.
Sound like a bullet hit the water.
Yeah.
I got back up. I'm gonna hit him with the morning dawn.
Oh yeah? Are we working with that?
Yeah, morning dawn right here. Oh. Actually stayed on there a little longer than the other one did. You got it, bro. Dang it. That's what, 9?
Yeah.
Or is that 8? Oh, look at this. Oh, no way. No way, bro. Whoa. He hit it on top of the water. That's not a bad one either. Holy smoke. On the freaking gummy snake. Oh, let's go. Look at that fish. Bro, what? It's bigger than yours.
Bro.
No freaking way.
No.
Bro, he hit it on top of the water, like a top water.
Dude, that's crazy.
I was jerking it across the top and he came and smacked it.
Bro, look at this. Look.
Wow.
Look, hold on. Look, size comparison. Like, look at your bait. Look. Bro,
that
look.
is crazy.
That is a little bitty piece of candy versus this. And look at the fish size difference.
That's crazy, bro. Hey, that puts me out the gummy zone.
Yeah.
Okay. Double release.
Hey, even if I'm losing, it's just cool that you came up with the idea that we actually.
And it didn't even come off.
Bro, I keep throwing it.
Let's go for another one right here on this. So you need one more or two more before you head.
That's 8. Pretty much 8 and 11. So I mean, I need 3 more technically to catch up to you. Well,
I'm saying for the gummy.
oh,
Two more.
I need
2 more.
yeah, 2 more.
Okay. One more.
One more now.
That dog, man. That dog always has money on it.
Bro, this fish right here got some teeth on him. Good lord. There we go.
Edward needs one more,
It's
guys.
about to be gummy season.
Hey, he's catching up to me.
Gummy season.
Guys, about to get really interesting. I'm only one ahead now. First cast
Gummy season. It's a dinker, but hey. I caught up.
11, 10. But, like you said, it is gummy season.
Pass me them steaks, homie. Pass me 2. One for a snack.
These my pets. Whatever I eat. There he is. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Number 12. Yeah, strong one. Oh. Yeah, the colors on this, like the lateral line looks freaking cool. Number 12, guys, I gotta stay ahead of this man. He is on the setback right now.
Well, maybe not.
Oh, nice.
Calm down.
Okay, okay.
Oh yeah. DC's gonna handle this. Turn that over.
Here we go, guys. Number 12 for me. Edward's at 10. Throwing the gummy. There he is. You better get it together with that old gummy. Because I'm about to kill it. Hey, stop peeing on me. They're there, bro. They're stacked in there. It's just gonna be hard for that bait to catch them. I bet that crankbait would get them out there. This.
I gotta get to the crankbait first.
Yep. All right, guys. 13. Guys, I didn't even have time to put the camera on. I literally casted it, hit the water, and I jerked it one time. That's not a bad one either. And this guy just smoked it. I must have put it right in his face. That is number... Bro, look at that. The hooks came off the middle. Broke off.
Really?
See that?
That's what happened to my speed glove.
Oh, man.
Don't buy
Come on, 6 cents. It's brand new. I just took it out the package today. Bummer, man. Well, guys, that is gonna do it for today's challenge video. That was freaking awesome. Felt good to come out here and beat you again, Edward. Edward's finishing off the gummy snakes. He attempted it, but that wind picked up kind of strong. Our battery actually ended up going dead. We barely made it back to the truck, so yeah. But man, overall we caught 24 fish total. Edward caught 10, I caught 14, and I did catch one on the gummy, which was freaking insane. So if you guys enjoyed this challenge video, do not forget to hit that like button so that I know you enjoyed it. And like I told you guys earlier, summertime's coming around, spring, so the bite is about to get good, and these challenges are going to be getting cranked out. So I have a lot of ideas for the summertime, some great content coming up. So if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on all that. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys for watching. I will catch you guys on the next one, and don't forget to keep it real. It's your boy Eddie, and I'm out. Peace.
Young bitch coming to you live from a place where nobody else know to take it. They hand up, they want us to split the pie right, cause they